Love that. What's up guys, Tim with Kitchen and Craft, and today we're gonna deviate from the normally scheduled programming. I'm gonna honor a subscriber request. One of my subscribers, Lucky Stars, has been asking if I could talk a little bit about the knives that I use in my kitchen every day. Those are the same knives that you see in all my videos. So I figured, what the heck, this is a great opportunity to do that. So we're gonna talk knives. Let's do this. Also, I'm gonna run a little contest, so I'll talk about that a little bit more at the end of the video. First one up is the Tajiro 150mm utility knife. Pick one of these up. I use it all the time in the kitchen. It's beautiful, and it's only 50 bucks. Western handle, stainless steel blade, super inexpensive, will not burn a hole in your wallet. This thing is a multitasking knife. It's good for a lot of things. The length of it is perfect. It's in between a paring knife and a chef's knife. So yeah, the length is awesome. Great for detailed work, cutting fruits, slicing vegetables, peeling shrimp. Peel a lot of damn shrimp with this knife. Did I say 50 bucks? 50 bucks. It's a deal, dude. Just a quick story about this knife. I've had it for about 10 years now. And at one point it disappeared. I was working for a caterer in town and the thing disappeared for like 3 months. And when I found it, the tip was missing and the thing was dull as can be. Whoever had it totally mistreated it and beat the heck out of it. I've been working the blade a lot, trying to sharpen it and work the ding out of the tip. It's pretty damn sharp now, as you can see. Yeah, right there. Again, oh yeah. Oh, very, very, very sharp. For 50 bucks, I can't imagine having any other utility knife. On to more fun things. The next one up on my list is the Nakiri, or vegetable cleaver. B-roll. B-roll. Can't remember the length on this though, but I think the blade's about 7 inches long. Awesome knife, dude. Totally not necessary though. You do not need to have this knife in your house. It's purely like if you have some extra cash to burn and you want something cool, get one of these. I use this for slicing vegetables, like doing some fine julienne or doing thin ribbons or slices of something. Totally different style blade. It doesn't have any rocker really, so you can't do this motion with it. It's more of like a down motion. It's wicked sharp. The blade itself is it's a carbon steel that's wrapped in stainless. So the carbon steel is what gets really, really, really sharp, but it also rusts because it's not treated or anything. The stainless steel won't rust. So you still have to take care of the knife. You have to wipe it down after you're using it, but it's kind of protected from the stainless steel up here. This handle, I think it's Paca wood, pretty sure, but it's not coated with anything. So if you don't treat it with some oil or something, it's gonna end up staining and discoloring. So I would definitely treat this handle. There's no bolster here, which is great because you can sharpen the knife and the bolster doesn't get in the way. Western knives have bolsters, and when you sharpen a Western knife, you tend to get this little divot in the blade because the bolster gets in the way of the stone when you're trying to sharpen the knife. But anyways, awesome knife to have, but definitely not a must-have. Sort of like a luxury item. And last but not least, the mother of all knives, my 9.5 inch or 240mm Japanese chef's knife. This thing does 90% of the cutting in my kitchen. It has an oval handle, just like the vegetable cleaver. Love that. The weight is beautiful. It's got some heft to it. It's got a nice rocker to it right here, Dude, this thing is incredibly sharp. It's made of Damascus steel, not stainless though, so it does rust. You have to keep the thing dry or you're gonna get rust. I've forced a patina on the knife and it's kind of developed one over the years since I've had it. That helps keep the rusting down, but I do wipe it clean after every use. Again, no bolster. I do not like bolsters. I don't. This thing pretty much does anything in the kitchen. The tip is sharp enough for detail work. It's tall enough to handle bigger tasks. I've broken down animals with this. I've sliced vegetables. I've cut just about anything you can think of with this knife, including myself. Yeah. I gotta do it, man. I could do this all day long. Oh, man. Ready? It's beauty. And it's not cheap, though. If you really want to get a knife that's similar to this, definitely look around and do your homework. There's plenty out there to choose from. I almost forgot. We need to talk contest. Yeah, I'm gonna give away one of these cookbooks. This is the 80 Fork Volume 2 cookbook. 80 Fork it's really 804, but you know, 4 and fork. You get it? 804 is the area code that I live in. That's Richmond, Virginia. This book features a lot of local Richmond chefs. There's recipes and information about the restaurants and the chefs themselves. Yours truly is in here. In order to enter, just leave a comment below the video and tell me, what's your favorite knife? What's the knife that you use most in the kitchen? Where'd you get it? Does it have a story behind it? Let me know. I love stories, okay? Do that within a week, and I'll pick a winner, and it'll be based on the comment. I'm not gonna pick a winner at random. You can enter if you live anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter where. I'll ship this anywhere, okay? Do that. I'll pick a winner. You get one of these guys. Sound good? I hope so. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you so desire. And I would really appreciate it, all right? Love you guys. See ya.